I gave you my heart. Now we are doing online.
We're doing online?
Yeah.
Yes.
Online classes.
Oh, you see your friends on your online classes. That's good. Yeah.
He playing skating. I see one line.
You see one line?
Yeah. It looks like it's skating. Can you see the line?
I don't see the line.
I see the line.
Okay.
He's playing soccer.
He's playing soccer.
He's
He does
playing
that
skating and
second.
soccer.
He plays soccer second. He does his homework first, and then he plays soccer. I think you need a star. Doing a great job. All right. You know these.
To eat breakfast. I eat breakfast in morning.
In
the morning.
Good.
I eat breakfast in morning.
In the morning. Good job. How about this one?
To start school. I start school at 8 p.m. 8 a.m.
What time do you start school?
At 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. I start teaching, usually about
9 a.m.
6 a.m.
6 a.m. Wow.
In time in America.
Your outside is morning?
Yeah, it's morning outside at my house.
And mine is night.
Yeah. All right. What's this? Okay.
To watch TV. They watch TV after school. Do homework. I do homework in the evening.
Nice job. And you remembered this word. Good.
Early. I wake up early in the morning.
Good.
Late. We make a campfire late in evening. Means we feeling cold. That's why we give campfire.
That's why we make a campfire in the evening. In the evening. Yeah. Catch a star.
Looking so nice, but I'm scared of campfire.
Yeah. You have to be safe around the fire. It's dangerous.
Yeah.
Which of these happen early in the morning? That's a tricky one. That's a tricky one.
Happens in morning.
Breakfast happens in the morning. Good job.
Yes.
What happens late at night?
Late at night.
Repeat.
Evening happens late at night.
Okay, evening does happen, but evening happens before night.
Before night.
Watching TV happens late at night.
To watch TV late at night.
Yeah, but we don't say to, and we say watching.
Watch TV.
Yeah. I am watching TV. late at night?
I'm watching TV. This one is closed. I need to close it.
We're about to run out of time, aren't we?
Yeah.
We have about 10 seconds left. What do you drink in the morning?
In the morning.
I like. Okay, here it goes.